Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our left rear tail lamp. To do that, obviously you want to have the tailgate down so we can have access to our two mounting bolts. Remove the pair. Now for this next part, what we want to do is grab onto this edge here and pull it out towards the side of the truck, not straight back like you normally would. There we are. Now with that out, let's continue on to removing the bulbs from the back of the lamp assembly. There's one. There it is, friends. Now let's get underneath the rear bumper. You're going to find the wiring right out in the open for this. Just go ahead and press on this center tab right here, just like that, and then separate the two. Okay. Now that that's disconnected, let's get back up top and get this out of the truck. Now's the perfect time to look at your bulbs. If it looks like they need to be replaced, go ahead and replace them. Other than that, go ahead and take these bulbs and put them into your new connectors. Okay, now we're going to get ready for our install. Let's go ahead and take the wiring. We're going to put it right down in here so it comes out through the bottom. With that coming out through the bottom, the next thing we're going to do is start getting this into the body of the truck. So of course we remember we have those little pitons on the lamp assembly itself. They need to line up with the holes that are on the body of the truck. I'll just carefully line them up. Once it looks like it's good, go ahead and press it in. And then we'll come over here and we'll put in our two mounting bolts. Let's get back underneath the truck. Let's go ahead and connect this in. Listen for a click. Make sure that it's nice and tight. Now we'll just take that connector, we're going to slide it in right here. Okay, close the tailgate, make sure your lamp functions properly.